Actually, hindi ko, well, kahit na may reasoning, hindi pa rin justified yung ginawa ni Jahan. Pero hindi ko gets, parang walang, it just came out of nowhere na bigla
Mm-hmm.
niyang inassault si Birdie sa shower.
Because it's a BL.
Yeah. Yeah. I
Medyo,
really didn't like that scene.
yeah, nung, imagine mo sa TV ko yun binanood, nung lumabas, nagpanik ako.
Though, I mean, if we're gonna have to justify that scene, we can just say it's like a teenage hormones thing, and then the tension between them.
No, I
Na
think it's
that's
more
gonna
of
happen, but
like,
I
from
see
what,
it as spite.
yeah, yun yung
oh yeah,
sasabihin ko.
actually, yeah, that's true.
Parang, we're in this situation and you're pissing me off because like you're trying to deny everything, so I'm going to like prove it to you na something's happening between us, parang ganon.
Yeah, yeah.
Tsaka naman, nasa team mo na ako eh. Yun yung
I really hated
pinaka-ano,
that though. I don't like it.
Yeah.
yun yung pinaka-ano ko sa main characters na I don't like both of them but I like them. Parang ganon.
They're very grounded kasi.
Mm.
They're very real. Like, we can't deny that. Na
Yeah.
everything they're doing, everything that's happening there, especially at that time, considering their history, like it's realistic.
Yeah.
And I
Yeah.
think, like, like, real people piss us off. So it's understandable na these characters are gonna piss us off because they're very realistic.
Humans are annoying.
Exactly.
I think we've established that multiple times throughout like different episodes. So
Different episodes.